Hey guys, we're back. It's Tuesday. Really quickly, let's review from yesterday. Yesterday we talked about persuasion. We talked about how we can influence people to get them to believe or to do what we want them to. And we do that with three appeals. We can do that with ethos, pathos, logos. Ethos has to do with credibility, trusting experts, trusting authorities, trusting celebrities. Pathos has to do with our emotional side. This has to do with our feelings, fear, joy, sympathy, and even humor, funny stuff. And finally, logos is logic. This has to do with our brains. It gives us facts, data, numbers, statistic, and research. So making a strong persuasive argument uses a combination of those three things, ethos, pathos, and logos. You may have arguments that appeal to credibility and authority, or feelings and emotion, or facts and research. You can use all of them. But you need to make sure you consider who is the audience. Who are you writing to? And you need to stress that each kind of argument will be the most effective with each type of audience. So, good persuasive appeals use more than one type of argument. Let's take a look at this. This is toothpaste. Sensodyne toothpaste. 9 out of 10 dentists recommend it. So, ethos. Dentists are experts on teeth, right? So that's ethos, that's credibility. Logos. A study has been done and research shows that 9 out of 10 dentists recommend this toothpaste. Logos, there's some numbers, 9 out of 10 statistics. How about this? If you wouldn't wear your dog, please don't wear any fur. So people sometimes make coats out of animals, big fur coats. Ethos. This is an actor on a popular TV show representing this anti-fur campaign. And then it also appeals to pathos because look at this little doggy. The picture of the cute dog and his thinking of the animal being killed for its fur makes us feel sad. The ad uses love people have for their dogs to argue against buying fur. In Schoology right now, you're going to complete the ethos, pathos, logos in print advertisement assignment. Let me show you it. So here it is. Oopsies. Oopsies. Here we go. Ethos, pathos, and logos in print advertisements. So you're going to look at each advertisement. This one's an example. And you're going to tell us what kind of appeal is it using. And you're going to say, why do you think that? This ad uses logos and pathos. It gives facts about the level of bad emissions, which is pollution, from the Prius car and from a sheep. Persuasion using facts and statistics is logos. This ad is also an example of pathos because the picture of the sheep and thinking about emissions from a sheep is funny. An appeal to humor is pathos. So like when we talk about emissions, we talk about the gases that come out of the car. Well, they're also talking about the gases that come out of a sheep. Hee hee, so it's funny. So you're going to look at these examples. So this is an auto repair shop, voted best body shop by customers. What kind of persuasion? This is an ad for a cell phone. Ronaldo is a soccer player. What kind of persuasion is this ad using? He wants us to buy some cell phones. Okay, we saw this one yesterday. Here's a little baby. What kind of persuasion is this ad using? Michelin tires. And then finally, what kind of ad is this persuasion using and what makes you think so? So take a look at some of this information here. Oh, there's one more. Here's Taylor Swift. She wants us to drink Diet Coke. What kind of ad and what makes you think so? All right, good luck.